January 31, around 11 o'clock, close to 11, quarter to 11 in the morning. So we have completed transplanting the tobacco, and now we're just flooding the tobacco. You gotta do this every day for 30 days. It depends though. It might not be every day, however, you have to look at the earth, how it retains the moisture. So it's a lot of work. 30 days doing this, and then after 30 days you gotta do something else. So this is how it's flooded. You gotta flood that, then look at the water retention, and then if it's still wet tomorrow, then you don't have to flood. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching.